Welcome to Parcel ID. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy installation process, so you can start using Parcel ID in just a few minutes. After signing up for Parcel ID, you'll receive a confirmation email from info@parcel-id.com. Inside this email, you'll find your installation link as a KML file attachment. Be sure to check your inbox or your spam and promotions folders if you don't see it right away. Before you can use Parcel ID, you'll need to download and install Google Earth Pro on your computer. We've included a link to the official download page in the video description below. When you open your Parcel ID file, it will appear in the Temporary Places folder in Google Earth. Be sure to right-click the Parcel ID layer and select Save to My Places. Otherwise, it will be deleted when you close Google Earth. Next, go to the Tools drop-down menu at the top and click on Options. Within the Options window, select the Navigation tab. While this isn't required for setting up Parcel ID, it will help improve your map navigation experience. Next, adjust the fly to speed by sliding the bar to the right. A faster fly to speed will let you move between locations more efficiently. Turn off the tilt while zooming feature. This will help keep your map view consistent as you zoom in and out. Now, switch over to the General tab. Under Display Settings, check the box for Show Web Results in External Browser. This ensures smoother access to web links from Google Earth. When you've finished adjusting your settings, click Apply to save your changes. Finally, click OK to close the Options window. Your Google Earth setup is now optimized for working with Parcel ID.